Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced and the game is crashing on Steam, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that crashing on Steam problem easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced, click properties, click install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. After that, you're going to click browse on here to open Assassin's Creed games folder. The default location should be in your C drive or wherever you have your Steam. Once you open up your Steam's folder, now you're going to go into Steam library, Steam apps in common, and then Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Right click on the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced exe, click properties, compatibility, click on to disable full screen optimizations and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply. Okay, and then close this up. Now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write your graphics settings. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to add desktop app here, and then you're going to go to the same Assassin's Creed games folder. And once you're in that folder, you're going to click onto the Assassin's Creed exe, click add. Then you're going to find the exe in this list, click onto it, click GPU preference, set it to high performance. Then after that, close this up and then restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now when you try to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced, you'll see that your game will not work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.